அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். This is Anandamurthy from Coimbatore. So based on the subscriber request, we are going to analyze. So what is minority institution and non-minority institution in Tamil Nadu? So the management quota, it is a two categories: non-minority institutions and minority institutions. So what is the role of minority institution and what is the role of non-minority institutions? So non-minority institution in management quota, all the students from other states also possible. The students from Tamil Nadu as well as other states also possible. The major, that is a contribution share for the state government and the management quota is different from minority and non-minority. In non-minority institutions, counseling quota given to the states is 65%. Are you able to understand that? So non-minority institutions like PLJ, KMC Guides, like that. So non-minority institutions, counseling quota, out of the total seats, 65% counseling quota, and management quota and NRI quota put together 35%. 35% including management quota and NRI quota. In that management quota 20% and the NRI quota 15%. So there is a major contribution of the seats given to the state government and the management quota and the NRI quota. In the minority institutions like Karpagam Medical College and Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College, so the counseling quota is 50%. There is a difference. So in the non-minority institution, counseling quota 65%. In minority institution, counseling quota 50%. Mugambe institution 50%. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 50% counseling quota. And the management quota 35% and the NRI quota 15%. We put together 50% for counseling and 50% for management and NRI. So that is the difference. So non-minority institution 65% counseling quota, the management quota and NRI quota put together it is 35%. Minority institution counseling quota 50%, the balance management quota and the NRI quota 50%. So take for an example, if the college having 150 seats, if it is a non-minority institution, 97 seats for the counseling, or sometimes one year they will go 97, another year they will go 98. The management quota 30 seats and the NRI quota 23, total 150. So it is a 97.5 coming sometimes. Next year they will go 98 and they will reduce the NRI to 22. So that is a seat sharing for the counseling quota and the management quota and the NRI quota in case of non-minority institutions. So what is the seat sharing principle in the minority institution? So counseling quota 50%. For example, if you take Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College, if it is 150 seats, 75 seats for the counseling quota. The Karpagam Academy of Medical Sciences, it is a 150 seats, 75 seats for counseling seats. The balance management quota 35 seats, 52 seats, and NRI quota 23. Put together it is a 75. So if you take 150, 75 for counseling and the management 52 and NRI 23, so total this put together 75. So 50% for counseling, 50% for management side. So these are fees is high, nearly 16 lakhs, here it is at 24 lakhs like that. So that is a difference. Suppose if you take Karpagam Medical Sciences or Mugambe, 100 seats, in the 100 seats, 65 seats for the counseling quota in case of non-minority institution and 20 seats for management and 15 seats for NRI. This is a case in Karpagam Institute of Medical Sciences. If you take Mugambe, 100 seats, 50 seats for counseling quota and 35 seats for management quota and 15 seats for NRI seats. So there is a two colleges having 100 seats in private college, one seat in non-minority category, another seat in minority category. So in the minority, there is a three category in Tamil Nadu. So Telugu minority and the Malayalam minority. That is a linguistic minority. This type of institution more in Karnataka. So linguistic minority based on the language, the mother tongue, that is a Telugu minority and the Malayalam minority. The major the Telugu minority institution given to the Tamil Nadu is Karpagam and the Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan and also Muthukumaran Medical College. These two are the full seats given to the minority students. That means in that category, for example, Karpagam Faculty of Medical Sciences, and the Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, what they will give? The management quota, that 52 seats to the Tamil Nadu students, they are having Telugu is a speaking language. So, Telugu students. If you take Malayalam, they are in the Tamil Nadu, but they are Malayalam is a mother tongue. So, in the Mugamili Institute of Medical Sciences, Kanyakumari. So, here, all the 36, for example, 32 seats given to the Malayalam speaking students, but they are resident of the Tamil Nadu. So, Christian minority. So, Christian minority is a CMC value. Only they are given to the management seats according to the church and all those things. Only the Christian students. So, Telugu minority, they will give only the Telugu students in the management quota, not in counseling quota. So, Malayalam minority institution, Mugamali, they will give the management quota to the Malayalam speaking students. And Christian, they based on the Christian religion. So, why they are going for this minority and non-minority? The basic principle is to increase the management seats, that's all. It is not to give the benefit to the certain religion, certain linguistic. They are not giving the fees for, if you take Telugu minority, they are not giving for counseling fees. They are giving the management fees. But only little bit benefited for the Telugu speaking or Malayalam speaking in this way. But the fees is similar, 16 to 18 lakhs for management quota. Only the difference, the Telugu speaking students can participate and the Malayalam students can participate in the one college. Then SRM Trichy, Annapurni. So these two colleges partially given to the Telugu minority and partially given to the general management. So up to 2016, Trichy SRM was non-minority institution. In the 2017 or 16, they are converted into minority. So in that case, so they are giving 50% out of 52 seats. So 75 seats for counseling. I am explaining about Trichy SRM. In the 52 seats, they are giving 26 seats to the minority and 26 to the general management. So that is a system they are adopting for the past 3 years. Similarly, Annapurna, they are giving 29 seats for general management and another 23 for the minority students, Telugu minority. So Muthukumaran also the Telugu minority, but last year they are came to the counseling, last moment they are given entire seats to the general management. Similarly, Mada Medical and the Panimalar also a minority institution, that means they are giving 75 seats, that means 50% seats to the counseling, another 50% for the management and the NRI put together 50%. So how many seats are in that NRI? In all the institutions, they are giving 15% of seats to the NRI quota. So non-resident Indians. So total 306 seats for NRI counseling. Is it all the 306 is filled so far? No. Only the PhD Institute of Medical Sciences, only NRI seats filled in the last year. The remaining seats, it is seats filled by concerned management. But this year, the lapsed seat, that is called NRI lapsed seat, for NRI seats fees is fixed as 25 plus L, but NRI lapsed plus 20 plus L in website also is mentioned. So this year, most probably, we can expect that NRI lapsed seat, that means the students are not coming for NRI quota, they may be filled by general students with a fees of 20 L plus. So far, the NRI seats filled by counseling, this year also filled by counseling, the lapse seats in NRI, nearly 200 plus seats may lapse. That means vacancy may occur in NRI seats in such cases, because the NRI students will go for big institutions like deemed institutions like Ramachandra or Chennai SRM like that. So better institution than St. Goman institution. In such cases, it will be filled by normally management directly. This year we can see what is going to happen. So this is an analysis about what is a minority, what is a non-minority, what is a minority institution. So only the benefit, the particular linguistic people or particular religion people will be get benefited. But fees is almost same. There is a separate counseling will be conducted for this category, like CMC. These two categories will be conducted. Once the management counseling is over, on the day or next last session or the next day they will be conducted for Telugu or Malayalam minority. So hope This analysis is helpful for the students trying for management quota. If the border level students already told that there's only a 400 marks, but minority seats the mark will down up to 300 or 250, depends upon the. In this year, the Telugu minorities are only less number of students are nearly 300 plus students are available in the Telugu minority. There are not of scope for available for the students applied in Telugu minority. So with this, we will meet you in another video. If our video is suitable for you, please subscribe our channel, please share our channel. We will meet you in another video soon. Thank you.